how to change the pump in a pl62x marax. First of all, we have to remove the top cover and open the machine. Remove the water tank and the drip tray, and also the power cord. We have to remove this. We can use a 7mm hexagon screwdriver or a tool like this. 1, 2, and if we have an old machine, you can have a metal plate also here. The new one you haven't in the new one, because we have modified the chassis and is more stronger for the transport. We have to remove, it's better, remove this. First of all, we have to disconnect the wire. Here we have a connector. And second, we have to remove the tube, and this can go away. Now we can see the pump. Be careful when we remove the tube, because we have to push down this ring, and pull the tube. Not pull only the tube. If we pull the tube and we fix the fitting, we can damage all the tube and also the fitting. We have to push down this ring, push down, okay, a bit more. Okay, I push down the ring with one hand, and with the other I pull the tube. As we can see, the tube can go away. I reconnect and I try again. If I pull, it's very hard and I can not remove. If I push down this ring, the tube can go away. Okay, if I pull only, now I try to damage the fitting. This, as we can see, is very hard. It's cannot go away, and as we can see, I have damaged. If I pull only, I have damaged. Look, this tube. If you pull only, you can damage the tube, and in the future you cannot use again this, because you can have leaking. Then it's very important, as we can see, this I removed correctly, and this I've damaged it. In this case I have to change this tube because I've pulled only. Be careful, then it's easy. Push down and this locked. Pull the ring, push down the ring and pull the tube. Look again, and I don't damage the tube. Have not damaged the tube. As we can see, sorry. Okay. This is the support for the pump. We have to push in this way, and pull out the support. I have to do the same also in this way. Now the pump can go away. I have to disconnect. This is the thermal protector, this blue. I remove the phases, and I can remove the pump. and if I have a new one to reinstall, I have to reinstall it. I have to do the same with the new pump. This is the old, but it's the same because this pump works. But if you have a pump that does not working, you have to replace it with a new one, or you have to open this screw, open the pump. Inside here we have some spring and we have a small valve. We can try to clean it and reassemble the pump, but I suggest you to change all the pump because it's faster and you can have better results. Okay, now we have to reassemble. I have to put these two rubber part into the hole in the bases. In this way, look how it works. Look here, I have to push the support into the hole and move it practically. I enter in the bigger and I have to move it into the smallest, and now the pump is fixed. First support, second support. I have to do the same also for the second. First, second. If we want, we can remove also this top, this cover, this metal part, and we can access to the bottom of the machine. Okay. Now I have to reconnect the wire. Okay. Thermal protector into the neutral, and I connect the copper fasten. Okay, phases into the pump. Okay, this is for the low water signal, this, and I have to reconnect also the tube here. Push this way and push in this way. Push. Be careful that the tube is inside properly. Push a little bit up and down, and now I can clean the machine and I can reassemble the water tank support. Now reconnect the pipe into the pump, and this tube, this is a new version, I have to reconnect. Remember to don't forget this wire, because if we forget this, practically the coffee machine does not detect low water into the tank. Now I have to reconnect this, and I can reassemble very fast. Remember the first, second nut number 1, nut number 2. Okay, and now I can try the machine if it works. Power cord, water tank, drip tray, and I can try. Check if we have some leaking, and okay, now I have water into the boiler. I can try with a blind filter, or I can push the micro switch. Here I have to check if the pressure reach the maximum. Look, when I push the micro switch, the pump reaches the maximum, and this it means that the pump works.